Hello everyone. Let's start with today's topic. Today's topic is SDLC. SDLC is nothing but software development life cycle. So as we can see in the right side image, we are able to see the different phases of the SDLC. These are information gathering, analysis, design, coding or development, testing and maintenance. So this is the generic process for developing any software. Also, it is systematic approach to build the software as per the customer requirement. So let's see the all the phases in detail. First phase is information gathering. In the information gathering, business analyst is the responsible for person, and business analyst will collect all the information related to the project, and business analyst is going to create BRS document. BRS is nothing but a business requirement specification document. BRS document consists of all the information. It contains high level information related to the project, and we can say BRS is the bridge between client and business analysts, developers and tester. By taking the reference of BRS document, developers and tester will work on the product development. Then next phase of the SDLC is analysis phase. In the analysis phase also, business analyst is the important person here, and business analyst will uh, take the reference of the BRS document, and by taking the reference of the BRS document, business analyst will create the SRS or FRS document. So SRS is nothing but a software requirement specification, and FRS is nothing but a function requirement specification. So this SRS or FRS is the detailed information document. By taking the reference of this SRS or FRS, developers and tester will work on the product development. These documents break into three parts. First part is functional flow diagram, second part is functional requirement, third part is snapshot or screenshot. Let's see all these parts in details. First part is functional flow diagram. So in this section of SRS, detailed flow of the application is shown by business analyst as per customer requirement. Let's take the example of e-commerce applications. As we know, if we want to access any e-commerce application, first we have to do the sign up into the application. Once sign up is done, then we are going to do the login into the application. Once we did the login, then we will navigate on the home page. On the home page, we will search the product. Once we got the all the list, then we will select the product. So once it is done, then we can select any product, and we can see all the information about that particular product. So next page is product detail page. Once it is done, we will go to place the order. For that, first we have to select our address, then we will do the payment. Once it is done, then our order will be placed. So this is the functional flow of the e-commerce application. Similarly, for our project, business analyst will mention the functional flow of our application. So next section is functional requirements. So in this section, detailed information about each functionality is present. Let's understand with example. So let's take the example of the sign up page. It consists of different text boxes like first name, last name, mobile number, email ID and password. So for the first name text box, All the detailed information will be present in the functional requirement section. Let's see with the examples like name should be in characters, it should not contain number, it should not have space, it should not have any special symbol. So this is the detailed information for the first name text box. Similarly, for the other text boxes also detailed information will be present in functional requirements section. Then third section of the SRS document is snapshot or a screenshot. So screenshots are visualization of functionality before development of product or application, and it is created by business analysts. These snapshots are in static mode. These are just images which is captured by the business analyst. And to capture the screenshot, business analyst will take the help of the iris tool. Snapshots are required for taking the approval from the client to start the development. So snapshots gives the idea to developer tester that how our software look like. So by taking the reference of the images or screenshot, our developers and tester will understand that how our software look like. Accordingly, developers and tester will do the development and testing for the product. So this all information is present in the SRS or FRS document. Then next phase of the SDLC is design phase. So in the design phase, UI designer, design architectures are involved. In design phase, architecture and UI designer take care of high level design and low level design. So there are two types of the design, high level design and low level design. In high level design, design architectures are involved and they will prepare the high level design of our product. And next is low level design. In the low level design, UI designer will be present here and they will take care of the low level design of the product. Then next phase of the SDLC is coding. Also we will call it as development. So in a coding phase, developers are involved. Developers build the functionality with the help of the programs. Program, as we know, program is the set of instruction to perform specific tasks for the end users. Development is done as per SRS document. As we've already discussed, SRS documents contain detailed information about the project. So next is there are two types of the developers. First is front end developer and second is back end developer. In the front end developer, developers are involved. They will work on the functionality, functional flow, process, and next is back end developer. So all the back-end related activities which is handled by the back-end developers. Database administrators are involved in it. Data management, data gathering, data security, algorithm section. It is handled by the uh, back-end developers. Also, we call it as the database administrator. And sometimes few developers will work as front-end developer as well as the back-end developer. For these types of the developer, we call it as the full stack developers. So this all information is about coding and development. Next phase of the SDLC is testing. Testing is the process of checking correctness and completeness of the software with respect to the SRS document. In this phase, we ensure that the application or software is bug free. So according to it, there are three types of the testing. First type is white box testing. So white box testing is performed by the developers as they are aware about the internal structure, that is nothing but a coding, and they should have a coding knowledge of the application. While performing the white box testing, developer consider only positive scenarios. White box tester is also known as unit level testing or code level testing. So next type of the testing is black box testing. It is also known as system and functional testing. So this black box testing or system and functional testing is performed by the testers and internal structure is hidden from the tester. According to the user requirements mentioned in BRS or SRS, tester will do the testing for the application or software. In this testing, coding knowledge is not required. As we know, internal structure is hidden, so we don't require the coding knowledge. Just we will understand the business requirement and we will prepare the positive as well as the negative scenarios. By taking the reference of the positive and negative scenarios, we will make sure that application or software is bug free. Next type of the testing is gray box testing. So this is the combination of white box testing and black box testing. In in gray box testing, tester or DevOps should have the coding knowledge. While performing this testing, we check the positive as well as negative scenarios. So let's understand the difference between the black box testing and gray box testing. In the black box testing, testers are involved in it. If they found any bug, then they will report that bug to the developers. But in the gray box testing, if the gray box tester found any defect, then that defect should be fixed by the gray box tester only. They will not assign that particular bug to the developers. They will work on that particular bug and they will do the fix for it. So this is all about the testing phase. Next phase is maintenance phase. After the product delivery, we need to take care of issues bug logged by the client. For taking care of it, we have KPO and BPO teams. KPO is nothing but a knowledge process outsourcing. These are the technical experts which handles the client problem. And next is BPO team. BPO is nothing but a business process outsourcing. These are the first person who directly interact with the customer or a client issue. They are known non-tech technical team intermediate person. So this BPO is a non-technical team and KPO is a technical team. This all information is related to the maintenance phase. So all the phases are completed here. Thanks for the watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video. Thank you.